You know, would you still, you know? Because that's what the reaction is. There's no other reaction. When you hold the nose, it's not a fight. Okay, you can't go, oh, you know, because you can't speak. You're like, cuz man. Yeah, yeah. Well, what the Maori is, you gotta go like that. You gotta go like that, like 2 hands. You gotta go like that. You gotta like, yeah. First, just got to do press ups. Get up and then like that, eh? But as you can see, hold up. No manu, say whānui. Look at that awesome platform, eh?